African drum lessons. Today, I'm going to teach you the second part of sofa rhythm. We're going to use samba and agogo bell. The first beat for agogo bell is king, 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 king. Now we're going to try it twice. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat for samba is open, open, close, open, open, close. Now let's try it twice. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's play them together 4 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the first class of the second part of sofa rhythms. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.